Hello, IRW 95 students. This is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg, and what we're going to be doing in this video is walking you through opposing viewpoints and making sure you understand how to use the database. So I'm on our Blackboard homepage, and I'm going to go ahead and click on course content, and I'm going to click on the week 5 folder so that we can go ahead and get started with opposing viewpoints. Now, if for some reason this link doesn't work for you, and I don't anticipate you're going to have any problems, but you can click on the folder that says research assignment, and when you do, there are some directions posted for opposing viewpoints, and I just pulled them up as a PDF, and it doesn't show all the way in mine. I have to kind of scroll down, but you can follow the long way through. But generally speaking, the link will work. So I'm going to go back just a couple tabs to get back to the main folder. And this direct link to opposing viewpoints should work. And just remember that you have to add your KCTCS username and password, and that's going to take you right into science, technology, and ethics. And so what I'm asking you to do for this research assignment is to avoid abortion and medical marijuana. Everything else we could probably negotiate, although I just want to see how things are going with your topic. But you are going to, at that point, spend some time exploring the database, and I'm just going to pick cloning as an example just to show you how the database works. And what's really cool about this is with a database like this that you have free access to as an SEC student, you don't have to go to Google or Wikipedia to do any kind of research. You can do it right from the luxury of your home by going into these databases without worrying if the information is going to be reliable or not. This is all well-researched, scholarly information, and the best place to start if you're just trying to figure out which topic to use, you might start at the very top, and I'll just kind of highlight where I am so you can see. And just click on the View More, because that'll give you an overview into each topic. There's some really cool functions, like you can click to have it listen to.
Overview. Cloning. Cloning. A clone is an identical copy.
Okay, so you get the point. You can play it and listen to the file if you prefer to do it that way. You can read, you can highlight and take notes, print, you can download it, you can email it to yourself. A lot of really cool options that you can use. And so the cool thing is that the database is split into different sections. So you can see that there are 6 featured viewpoints. Those are generally written by different staff members from different publications, but they tend to give the different points of view for each topic. And remember that it's critical that you create an argument, because what you're looking to do is kind of, in a lot of instances, pick a side. Now, not every topic's going to allow you to do that, but that's something that we'll work on over the next couple of weeks as you're writing the paper. There are 175 general viewpoints from different publications. There are 287 academic journals. Those are going to be a little bit more challenging to read. 3 statistics. The statistics are not the most up-to-date, so I'm going to warn you on that. A lot of cool articles. In fact, news articles, 1,081 of those. There are some audio files, magazine articles, and down at the bottom is a link for 13 websites. Those are really good because they're very well-respected websites that if you click on one of those, it will give you the link, and you just click it, and it'll take you right into the website. This is for the National Human Genome Research Institute, and it's got a lot of good information about cloning there. So, and I just picked cloning. I could pick hunting, for example, and it's going to be set up the exact same way, with the same sort of setup with the audio, the articles, so on and so forth. But again, always start with the overview at the top if you're not real familiar with the topic, especially, because that'll give you kind of what the controversy is. That way you can start thinking about how you're going to formulate your argument. But remember that you need 2 or 3 of these supporting articles from the viewpoints or journals or news. Any of those are appropriate. Or if you find something from one of the websites, that's fine too. We're going to cover MLA next week, which I think you'll find helpful, and just understanding how you're going to have to document the sources. I know that this week is really a change of pace, so I anticipate that you may have some questions. If you have any questions about anything, always feel free to email me. But discussion board assignments for this week will dictate your topic and how your research is going. And this is the culmination of putting your reading and writing skills together. So I'm looking forward to seeing how you do on this particular project. But again, if you have questions, email me, and I look forward to seeing how it goes. So good luck with everything.